In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable Meta AI on Facebook. First step that you have to do is to head into your Messenger account or Messenger application. And as you can see here, this is the current conversation with Meta AI. So how to disable this AI? You just need to click this and then head into the three dotted icon on the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see delete conversation, and also you can mute this by going back to the conversation. Once you click the mute and select until I change it, the Meta AI will now be disabled on your notification in your Facebook account. You can also directly delete this conversation in order for you to remove this on your Facebook account. And also, to fully disable or remove Meta AI on your account, you just need to delete your Facebook account and that's it. That's how you can remove or disable Meta AI on Facebook, and thank you for listening.